Cherry popped. I'm no longer a fun box virgin. Hey guys, so we are popping the cherry today, as they say, because I got my first ThredUP fun box right here. I'm a little nervous. This came from Swanee, Georgia. Not what I was hoping for, but it is what it is. So I am what you would like to call a ThredUP virgin for the fun box. I've only gotten one ThredUP box before. It was with a collab with Glamour and Chloe and Veronica, and yeah, it was horrible. I still haven't sold anything from there, and you know, I have a little bit of beef with ThredUP about it, but it is what it is. I'm trying to move on. I just hold a little bit of resentment. So I used some credits for this, and so hopefully I didn't make a mistake. Mostly I just got this for the fun part. Suture scissors, they're good for everything. I'm hoping that it's at least fun. I kind of got it because I had some credits, and let me see if my invoice is on top. It is. So this was $32, which is a lot. I had some credits. I think it brought everything, like in the end, I ended up paying like $22. So it's going to be about like $2.20 an item because there's supposed to be 10 items. We'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed. But, you know, everyone's been getting them, and like, I felt like all the pressure. I felt like a kid in high school, and like, all the cool kids are doing it, so you should do it too. Like, fine. So here we are. We're looking at you, Veronica. Anyway, yeah, this is the box. This is what it looks like. It's got the tissue paper as per. Oh no! Oh no! My phone! It's broken! That's for you, Kayla. I don't really want to do much editing, so you may have just seen my keyboard because we are ghetto-fied in our little setup right here. So everything is wrapped in tissue, so I am going to, well, I'm just going to rip it because the sticker is making things very difficult. And this is what I see. So I'm not sure. It looks like a Tommy Hilfiger, and I guess it is. It's new tags. Tommy Hilfiger men's cold weather accessory. Oh, so it's a scarf. Is this red or pink? Because this looks really pink. Like, I feel like this is a girl's accessory, not a men's accessory. It's just 100% acrylic. It is very soft, though. I guess this is a good time of year for this. It is very long. I mean, like, all the things. So, that's our first one. New tags. Tommy Hilfiger. I saw the flag is what I saw. I do pick up some Tommy Hilfiger stuff. So, the famous Bomba socks. This is not sponsored, but they do. Bomba actually, they make these black socks that they donate to places. So every time you buy a pair of Bomba socks, they donate a pair to someone in need. We used a ton of Bomba socks this year at Operation Christmas Child in those shoe boxes that go around the world for kids around the world. So I can definitely say that they do send them out. We had hundreds of them. We had loads and loads that we could put in boxes that weren't full enough. So these feel amazing, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna keep these because these are I like the low rise, and they are my size. So these are probably gonna be a keep. Because, you know, this wouldn't be a fun box without Vera Bradley. It has a tag, but it doesn't have like a tag. Oh, wait, yes, it does. It just lied. So this is new with tags. Suggested retail $34, Vera Bradley. It is a double zip cosmetic bag. So that's kind of nice. I will probably sell this. I don't know how much I'll get for it, but I will probably sell it. Put the tag back in there for safety. These are, oh, okay. These are over the calf Noble Equestrian socks. Looks like they removed the price tag for some reason. But they are like long socks, but then the top part has a design. So these are foxes. So that's super cute. You see the bottom, like they're black, and then they have like a design on top, and they're for I'm guessing equestrian boots. I should know since I used to wear those all the time back when I horseback rode. I'm not sure. I'll have to look these up. I will probably sell these. They're really nice, but I don't need really tall socks personally. All right. We got some Spanx tummy to toes full length hose. Tummy to toes full length hose. Yeah, I could like make a song about that. From Nordstrom Rack. I guess they're new in package. They seem to be new in package. The cost though is only like $16. Looks like the price was $26 originally. So I don't know, we'll see. But they're just Spanx. I will probably try and sell them. Again, I don't know how much I would get for them. Oh, another Spanx, new with tags. Thank you, ThredUP. Finally, you did something nice for me. These, oh, and they're an extra large. Oh, these are good. So these are Spanx underwear. New with tags. Do they have a name? They're very black. That's this color. Let's see. They're called the Retro Brief. Targeted shaping panel. Slims your core. That's your stomach. Super soft fabric. Bonded edges. I don't see a price. So I'll have to look these up. I'll put it in if I do it before I make this video. But these are really nice. I've definitely sold Spanx underwear before, even used. I mean, like nice used, like more like the tummy control, not like the underwear. They get a good price, so I'm not mad about that at all. These are Aloe Yoga, new with tags. Oh, that's nice too. And they are size medium large. What is this? What in the world? Like there's a tag on one. There's two of them. There's only a tag on one. I'm confused. They look the same. I need explanations. There's no explanations. I have no idea what this is. Are these like leg things? Or arm things? There's like a hole here. I don't know what this is. If you know what this is, let me know or I'll put it in if I figure it out. But there's like two of them, but only one has a tag. And they're not like together. I don't know. But Aloe Yoga is a very good brand. So, I don't know. All right, got another scarf. Let's see. Hi. Rave has awoken from his nap. Looking for a tag. Looking for a tag. I'm not finding one. Still looking for a tag. I don't see a tag anywhere. I don't see a tag. It's a really pretty scarf and it has fringe, so you can use it like a babushka or wherever you want. Bra, new with tags, has a Marshall's tag. We will be removing that. It's Nautica Intimates 34C. Not a horrible size. Y'all know I love bras, so I'm not mad about this, especially since it's new with tags. This is wire-free comfort. It's like navy. Very nice bra. Okay, I'm like wearing too much stuff here. This thing feels like a pashmina kind of, but I don't know what it actually is. Oh my gosh, now my hair is crazy. And again, I don't know what these are. Let's show them a little bit better. Oh, it goes this way. I don't know if these are like leg warmer type things. I don't know. Definitely have to do some research. Okay, there's 2 more items, and then I'll count and see how many we actually got. I'm actually not super mad at ThredUP this time. So this is actually Kate Spade. Now I have a Kate Spade wallet that has some damage. This does have some little damage on it in my closet for a while now, and it's getting no love. So this, I'll probably try and sell it, but who knows if it will actually sell or not. See what the inside looks like. The inside feels crispy, but the outside has some dings. So maybe it's just from being in a box with all this other crap. But you can see there's like little marks on it. I could try and get them out, but I probably won't. This looks authentic. Trying to see if it's leather or if there's a tag. Doesn't say it's. Yeah, I don't know. But it's a tan wallet, a nice neutral. So maybe someone will want that. And I can try and see if I can get some of this off with like, what's it called? A magic eraser or something. We'll see. Last is a small box. Kate Lynn. Never heard of it. And let's see. I'm like leaning, gangster leaning over there. That's pretty. It's a bracelet. Oh, it's really pretty. And it has like this little thing in it. I know nothing about this at all. So I'll definitely have to look it up, but this is gorgeous. It's like, so I don't know if this will come across, but look how pretty that is. And it's got like movable, and it has an extender chain, so if you have a bigger wrist like me, it would probably still fit you. So let's see. This is gonna be a hot mess, guys. Well, I'm just gonna hold it, but that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. So I don't know, we'll have to look this up. I'll put in some comps if I find them. This might actually be worth something. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. But it does look like it's new with box. So it's got this little thing in here where it's like you can't play tennis with it. You can't wear perfume with it. You can't go on a boat with it. You can't sleep with it. I swear. I'm not making this up. So anyway, that is our ThredUP box. Let's see how many things we got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. So I mean, for my first ThredUP box, I'm pretty happy. It could have been a lot worse. And I got Bomba socks. So I'm happy about that too. I'll get to doing some research, because obviously I've got some research to do on a lot of these things, because I don't know what they are. But that's also fun too, especially if it's worth some money. But thank you for joining me for my cherry popping of Goodwill Fun Box. Goodwill Fun Box. Oh my gosh. I do too many blue boxes. ThredUP Fun Box. Whoops. Will I get another one? Maybe. I don't think I'll ever pay full price for one. I just don't think it's worth it. But I am building up credits again. I think I already have another $6 or so built up. And I've got some other stuff. I think I've got about $12 or so that's pending. You know, they have that period where people can return stuff. So it's waiting on that. But, yeah, I really want a shoe box. They're so expensive though. So, and I do find pretty good shoes most of the time when I'm at the bins. So it's hard for me to like shell out that much money per pair of shoes. So I may just do another fun box instead of waiting around for enough money for a shoe box. We'll see how it goes. But this was actually really fun. I'm really excited to look up some of this stuff and see how it does. So yeah, cherry popped. I'm no longer a fun box virgin. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know what your favorite item is below. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I do unboxings. I do thrift hauls. I do animal investigations. We do Throwback Thursdays. And I'm going to be doing a little bit more this year with actually helping people navigate Poshmark. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while. I just didn't have the space on my phone, obviously. And I finally got a new phone. So I do have the space now for all the videos and stuff I'll need for that. But I am going to maybe do a series on beginners using Poshmark and things I wish I knew going into it. So stay tuned for that. But thank you for joining me. As always, remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.